Well, with that, there is some big breaking news which is coming in right now. The Lokayukta team is visiting the Muda land site and it's carrying out an inspection there. That's the big breaking news that we are getting for you. Let me go across to Deepak Bopanna, who's joining us with all the details. I believe the Lokayukta team has carried out its inspection. We have those visuals coming in. But right now, Siddaramaya's wife has already surrendered these plots of land. What happens and how is that going to impact the probe from here onwards if it's back with the Muda?
Well, now that's a very interesting aspect. Now what has happened here is she has of course put out that public letter that she does not want to tarnish the image of Mr. Siddaramaiah or give an opportunity for the opposition parties which are using this issue to tarnish his clean image which has been established over the last 4 decades. And she says that she has never been after wealth and does not want this land which is causing so much inconvenience to her husband and hence is giving it away. Whether this in any way will affect the investigation, that remains to be seen, because as far as the investigation is concerned, the complainants had gone ahead and requested that everything needs to be looked into. As far as this land initially that was with Siddaramaiah's wife's brother, then of course being gifted to Siddaramaiah's wife, and overall how the allocation process itself happened and whether there was any influence by Mr. Siddaramaiah in the allocation of these 14 sites in this locality in Mysuru. Now, while the Lokayukta, of course, recently registered an FIR, today we saw some of them conducting, spot inspections there along with Muda officials visiting that particular area where, of course, the site that was belonging to, Siddaramaiah's wife Parvati. Now, investigation on that account, of course, continues. Yesterday, there was also physically a copy of a complaint that was given to the Enforcement Directorate, and we're picking up very soon. The Enforcement Directorate also could look into the matter. In what capacity, that of course remains to be seen. At the back of all of these developments, yesterday, we're looking at late in the night, this announcement that came in from Siddaramaiah's wife that she has no interest in this land which has been affecting Siddaramaiah in a negative manner, and she wishes to give it away. BJP from early this morning is upping the ante and saying that the return of the land itself is an admission of guilt, and in no way does it absolve him of any sort of responsibility, and does it show that he is innocent and he has to be tried under the law, and he could come out clean only after a fair investigation goes on. And once again they are here going on to mention that the police cannot do a fair job. At the end of the day, it's the police officials, of course, who work under the Lokayukta, and they cannot really investigate fairly considering Mr. Siddaramaiah continues to be the chief minister and the Congress government is in power. They are saying be it any central agency or any court monitored probe is right now the need of the hour in this matter.
Well, of course.